Big news from Japan. The country is once again making headlines in the world of space exploration, and this time the stakes are even higher. ispace, a pioneering private company, is gearing up for its second daring attempt to land on the moon, a feat that only a handful of nations and organizations have ever achieved. Their first try with Hakuto R mission, one in April 2023, came heartbreakingly close to success. But in the final moments, the lander crashed, reminding everyone just how difficult lunar landings can be. Space is unforgiving. Landing on the moon is one of humanity's toughest challenges. Even the smallest error can mean the difference between triumph and disaster. There's no atmosphere to slow down, just rockets, precision, and nerves of steel. Every second counts as the lander descends toward the lunar surface. The ispace team learned from their mistakes, analyzed every detail, and never gave up hope. Their determination has only grown stronger. Now they're back with a new and improved lander, fittingly named Resilience, a symbol of their unwavering spirit and commitment to progress. This mission is about more than just technology. It's about determination, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of a dream that inspires people around the world. The moon is over 384,000 kilometers away, and every attempt, no matter the outcome, teaches us more about what it takes to reach our nearest celestial neighbor. ispace's engineers have worked tirelessly, upgrading their technology, running countless simulations, and preparing for every possible scenario. The world is watching as they prepare for another lunar landing, with excitement and anticipation building across continents. This Friday, Resilience will attempt a gentle touchdown on the moon's surface, aiming to make history for Japan and private spaceflight. It's a high-stakes moment for science, engineering, and the future of commercial space exploration. Success would mark a huge milestone for Japan and for the growing field of commercial space, opening new doors for future missions. The mission control room is buzzing with anticipation, every team member focused and ready for the challenge ahead. Let's cheer them on as they aim for the stars, again showing the world what resilience truly means. Every setback is a step forward in space exploration, fueling innovation and inspiring the next generation of explorers. ispace embodies the spirit of resilience, proving that perseverance and vision can turn setbacks into stepping stones. Here's to a safe landing and a new chapter in lunar history. May resilience inspire us all to reach higher and dream bigger. What went wrong last time? The world watched as ispace's first lunar lander made its historic attempt, but something unexpected happened. The first lander's software misjudged its altitude, a tiny error with massive consequences. It thought it was safely on the lunar surface, when in reality, it was still kilometers above the moon. This critical miscalculation led to a premature shutdown of its thrusters, sending the lander crashing into the unforgiving lunar landscape. The culprit, a tricky sensor reading from the rim of a steep lunar cliff, a scenario the software simply wasn't prepared to handle. It was a tough lesson, but the team became relentless detectives, poring over every byte of data, every line of code, determined to find the root cause. They pinpointed the software flaw and overhauled the landing algorithms, leaving no stone unturned in their investigation. For Mission 2, aptly named Resilience, they've made major upgrades, smarter software, more robust altitude sensing, and safer, more efficient fuel management systems. Every mistake became a blueprint for improvement, fueling innovation and driving the team to push boundaries even further. The new lander stands ready, a testament to lessons learned, technology refined, and the unwavering spirit of the team. This is how progress happens in space. Fail, learn, adapt, and try again. Each setback is a stepping stone to success. Now the ispace team is more prepared than ever, united by experience and a shared vision for the future. Resilience is not just a name, it's their mission, their promise, and their driving force. The world is about to witness what determination, teamwork, and relentless curiosity can achieve. The countdown to a new lunar attempt begins now, and the next chapter of lunar exploration is about to unfold. Why the moon? ispace isn't just chasing a landing, they're building a future lunar economy. Their goal, regular deliveries of cargo, science instruments, and resources to the moon. This supports global efforts like NASA's Artemis program, aiming for a long-term human presence. ispace wants to be the go-to courier for lunar missions. They're even planning to transfer lunar regolith to NASA, a historic commercial transaction. The dream is bigger, a lunar colony, with up to 1,000 people by the 2040s. Water ice on the moon could provide air, water, and rocket fuel. ispace is laying the groundwork for humans to live and work on the moon. It's bold, ambitious, and could change our future in space. The moon is just the beginning. Meet Resilience, the upgraded Hakuto R Mission 2 lander. It's lighter, smaller, and more cost-effective, key for future missions. Launched in January 2025 on a Space Falcon 9, it shared a ride with Firefly's Blue Ghost lander. Blue Ghost landed successfully, showing the power of collaboration in space. Resilience took a slow, energy-efficient route, arriving in lunar orbit after 5 months. This gave the team time to check every system and gain deep space experience. The target, Mare Frigoris, a vast flat plain in the moon's far north, safer than their first landing site. Smoother terrain means better odds for a safe touchdown. Backup sites are ready just in case. Every detail is planned for success. The mission is a showcase of smart engineering and international teamwork. Resilience is ready for its moment. The landing site awaits. Resilience isn't just landing. It's carrying vital experiments worth $16 million. A water electrolyzer will test making oxygen and hydrogen from water, crucial for future lunar life. An algae-based food module will see if we can grow food on the moon. There's a radiation monitor to keep future astronauts safe. The lander also carries Tenacious, a tiny rover from ispace Europe. Tenacious will test cameras, a sample shovel, and snap photos of lunar soil. It's also bringing art, a red house sculpture, and a commemorative Gundam plate. These experiments pave the way for living and working on the moon. Each payload is a step towards sustainable lunar exploration. Science, technology, and even art are making the journey. Resilience is a laboratory on wheels. The discoveries could shape the future of space. Achieving a soft lunar landing is an extraordinary accomplishment, one that only a select few nations and now a handful of pioneering private companies have managed to pull off. The moon remains a formidable frontier, and every successful landing is a testament to years of innovation, risk, and determination. For ispace, a successful landing would mark a monumental leap forward for Japan's private space sector, signaling that Japanese companies can compete on the world stage in the new era of commercial space exploration. It would demonstrate that Japan is capable of delivering reliable commercial lunar transport services, opening doors for future business and international partnerships. Building on the success of JAXA's slim lander, ispace's achievement would further cement Japan's reputation as a leader in the rapidly evolving space race, both in government and private sectors. Globally, it's a powerful signal that private companies can now accomplish what was once the exclusive domain of national space agencies, reshaping the future of lunar exploration. If the Resilience lander touches down upright, ispace will join an elite club alongside Firefly Aerospace, proving that commercial lunar landings are not just possible, but repeatable. This mission is about more than technology. It's about national pride, pushing the boundaries of innovation and shaping the future of the global space business. All eyes will be on the descent as ispace aims for a smooth, controlled landing and upright touchdown in the Mare Frigoris region, a site chosen for its scientific and strategic value. Once on the surface, the real work begins, deploying the Tenacious rover, conducting experiments, and gathering data that could shape future missions and lunar science. ispace will broadcast the event live, inviting the world to witness this historic moment as it unfolds in real time. This mission stands as a testament to perseverance, vision, and the relentless pursuit of progress in space. And this is just the beginning. More missions are already on the horizon, including the ambitious Apex 1.0 with Draper for NASA, promising even greater achievements ahead. The future of private lunar exploration is brighter than ever, with new technologies and bold ideas driving the next wave of discovery. The next giant leap for humanity could very well come from Japan, as it continues to push the boundaries of what's possible on the moon and beyond.